Happy Sabbath everyone. It's April 20, 2024 and it's a very beautiful sunny Sabbath morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na natanggap natin, dumating sa buhay natin. At siyempre sa mga kasama nitong mga pagsubok, challenges which makes our life challenging, exciting, and wonderful. Ayun. And let's give thanks for all the people who came into our life, no, to help us, to guide us. And siyempre dun sa mga taong dumating na nakikimarites lang din. Shout out doon kay Glenda, kay Glensna, kay Pucci, kay Margie Crane ng Oregon, kay Cecil Boris ng Caloocan, kay Mama Lo ng Muntinlupa, kay Luis and Susan, Michael and Michelle Lumongo, Mabel Andres, Elizabeth Guevara, Lucy Portich, Cinta Baron, Rachel and Rachel Pastalero, Jima David, Inday Araso, and Eds My Love, at kay Joey and Honey Pistolante ng Suarez, Iligan City, kay Walter Ixol at Tanyari, si G. Alvindras, Gilbert Ramirez, and Jordan Sasil. Ripples with the day natin po is, what matters most is that they know that we love them in heart, in thought, and in deed, without prejudice nor expectations. In return, when we have moved on, it is they who lost and we who have gained. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Saturday, Sabbath day to all.